Hey Sparks, what's up? I am doing this quick video. I'm actually in my office this morning. I have a meeting in like 5 minutes. I'm looking at my phone, so I'm gonna go up until that call comes in. Check this out. I'm doing this video. Oh, hi everyone. My name is Montina Young Portis, and my mission with this channel is to inspire, educate, and share information with you that will help you thrive in life and thrive in business. If that sounds good to you, subscribe so you can see I'm passionate today because I want to talk about business credit. I have been doing a lot of research about business credit because I have good personal credit and I have business credit. I've been able to secure over $100,000 in funding in 2018. On my first $50,000, then I had that $50,000 refinanced, and then down from like a $5,000 payment to $800 payment, and had that loan basically bought out at $40,000 of it bought. Debt, not a debt consolidation, but I took out another loan from someplace else to pay that debt off. Took out a lift fund, $10,000, and really worked on my personal credit. So I see so many videos from, all guys too out here. Some women, no, not all guys. But anyways, I see a lot of videos out here talking about how to build your business credit. Number one, they're not business owners. And I just feel like it's a lack of integrity to be teaching people about business and you've never been in business. If your only business is teaching people how to build business credit, how do you know what works and what doesn't and what they need? And that's what I'm finding. They're sharing resources with you that don't work, that you don't need, because they're like, you don't have to use your personal credit to guarantee the loans. You don't have to use your personal credit. That's why you need to fix your credit. Like Ayala's Fix My Life, fix your freaking credit. I don't use the F-bomb. So number one, you gotta fix your personal credit. Guys, there's just no way around this. Like, it's kind of one of those things where you have to have personal credit. So, oh look. Okay, good. I actually had a text message coming in. I'm on my phone. So, number one, fix your personal credit. Number two, you need to register on nav.com to even see your business credit. They'll give you a little bit. I paid the $20-something one time just to see more, and I got my Paydex score, my Experian score. I had like my grades. They give you a grade on Experian. They give you a score that's your Paydex score on Dun & Bradstreet. Number three thing, you do not have to pay for a DMV number. If you say you do some work with the government, or you want to, which you should want to do work with the government, they have to provide you that number for free because you need it to register for SAM, and they cannot charge you. So all these people with these secrets about how to get Dun & Bradstreet numbers, here's the secret. It's free because you're gonna tell them that you wanna get into government contracting because you should be getting into government contracting. Okay, let me hurry up. Check your business credit reports, Experian. Then you have your Dun & Bradstreet. There's another one, I think it's called Credit Safe. You guys have got to stop falling for the okie doke. I'm like, also understand you need a minimum of 3 reporting to Dun & Bradstreet to get a Paydex score, which is, you want a Paydex score of like 80. But if you pay Dun & Bradstreet $1,499, $1,500, or maybe $1,500, you can report up to 12 invoices. So basically it's kind of a pay-to-play game in the business credit world. But here's the thing, you need to understand what type of credit you need. So they'll say, well, you get these trade lines, and then they'll report to your Dun & Bradstreet, Uline, Granger, some sort of marketing company, what else? Uline, Granger, marketing company. I mean, there's just all kind of just that through these 30-day net 30 is what you're looking for. But the challenge is you're ordering shit you don't need. I don't need anything from Uline. Uline, you cool, but I don't run my Organic Life Products company, which, I used to have a company called Organic Life Products. So it's not gonna work for me. I'm not shipping things out really in boxes where I need to order that type of stuff. So when you fix your personal credit, you're going to be able to get funding, and you're gonna put up collateral. Yeah, you're gonna put up some personal credit. But guys, you're in business to build your business and not play this hokey game on how do I do everything and only use my EIN, because it just doesn't work that way. For Uline and the Granger, and there's just a whole little term, net 30 of them. They're things you don't need. And some of these guys are out here like, well, just fill out the application and leave off your social. They're not gonna process your application. It's so funny to me. Here's the other thing I found with this business credit, guys. So they sell you on, hey, my product's $2,500, and then you buy that product, and then of course it costs $1,400 for them to get the trade lines on DMV. So they really aren't doing that part, unless they know another alternative way. Because I now report my clients' invoicing to Experian, and we're getting ready to report to DMB. So we're going to be reporting as well, all of our invoices. Also, with some of these vendors that say you don't need your EIN or you don't need your personal credit as a guarantor, that's true even for like Bank of America. If you're over 700, I believe they have a program where you can lease a vehicle without using your personal credit. So you don't need them necessarily to do that. And also understand the kind of like loans they can get you in funding, it's very expensive normally. So one guy I saw was like, oh, I qualify for $25,000, but I have to pay 12% just to use it. Why would you pay over $2,500 just to access money? That's not how the world works. So I actually have a loan, and I know I'm talking fast, but whatever. I gotta get this call in a minute. With Access to Capital for Entrepreneurs, $40,000, 8%. It's an $800 a month payment, $40,000. Now check this out. I get bookkeeping services. I have a business advisor that comes and sits and reviews my P&L statement and my profit and loss, my balance sheets with me. They pay for programs, and they have these entrepreneurship programs. And I'm assigned someone to actually work with me within my company to just help me build my business. And they tell me about all sorts of networking events and webinars and all that. Why wouldn't you want to work with a reputable company that can loan you money that's not a hard money lender? So you gotta think through these things, guys. If you're watching this, do your best to fix your credit. Get nav.com so you can at least see what's out there for you. Understand that you're paying to play the game. So at DMB, you do want to have trade lines report, but guess what? If your personal credit's in order, you don't have to play the game to have things. I don't even have a PAYDEX score. I was trying to research, and I have one thing reporting, but I've still been able to get $100,000 in financing. And some people might say, I want $1 million in financing. Are you ready for $1 million in financing in your business? Guys, you gotta stop playing the games. I know it's a little bit of a rant, but I'm tired of seeing people taken advantage of online by people that don't really have businesses. So yes, I have business credit, I have business credit cards. Also, I'm going to talk about authorized users on business credit cards because, everyone's trying to sell different things in trade lines, but there are some things that do not work. They work differently in the business world than they do in the consumer world for the personal world. So cash is good, but credit is king in the business world. It really, really, really is king. We have cash in the bank, but I had to work on that personal credit. So guys, you gotta get that personal credit in order, okay? All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next video, but check it out. Leave me a link or a comment below. I really wanna understand and hear from you. Are you building your business credit? And what other questions can I answer for you? So, bye. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.